Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question number 10 from test 59F. Now right there, pause it. Pause the video. Take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done, you can unpause and watch the explanation. Today's question is going to be a mini lesson in taking advantage of all of the tools at your disposal, okay? Namely, the calculator. So let's give it a read. If x is greater than 1, then which of the following has the least value? Most important word in the question, least. So I'm going to go ahead and underline it. If I lose track of the fact that I'm trying to solve for the least value, I'm going to get this question wrong, but I might feel good about whatever answer I get. That doesn't matter though. Just trying to get the right answer. Come on. All right. They want to know which of the following has the least value. Okay, well, all I know about x is that it has to be greater than 1. I don't want this question to be hypothetical, so I'm going to pick a value for x. All right, how about 2? That's greater than 1. So I'm going to write a little note to myself, x equals 2, because I'm about to have a lot of numbers in front of my face, and I don't want to lose track of anything, all right? So x equals 2. Now let's see which of these answer choices gives us the least value. So f would be radical 2. All right, well, we live in an exciting time, so why don't we put that in our calculator? So it looks like f gives us about 1.4. All right, well, let's continue on down. G, radical 2x. Well, x was 2, right? So that'll be radical 4, which is, you can check your calculator, but it happens to be 2. All right, cool. Well, then the answer is not G because f is less than that. And then we look at H, radical x times x. It's kind of weird. It's actually exactly the same as G because it's radical 2 times 2. So that's also 2. Sorry, H, you're no good. J is 2 times radical 2. Well, F told me that radical 2 was 1.4, and then J is just that times 2, which is going to be bigger than 1.4, so no. And then K is 2 times 2, which is 4, which is not smaller than 1.4. All right, then the answer is F. Cool. There is a way to approach that question where you get sort of in your head about, okay, what is a radical? And so how would it affect the value of something for it to be under the square root and multiplied by something else? And all of that is totally fine. And if you have that knowledge to take that approach, super cool. Go nuts. But to me, right, we have a calculator and we know that x has to be bigger than 1. So we just pick a value for x and then go through and solve for what each of the answer choices would equal and select the lowest one, which was F. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.